Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share screen on Google Meet. Do you need to show a presentation, a document, or just walk someone through something on your screen? Here's how to share your screen on Google Meet. So once you're in the meeting, move your mouse to bring up the bottom menu bar. Then click the Present Now button and you'll find it near the middle of the screen. You'll get a few options. You can share your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab. If you want to show everything you're doing, go with your entire screen. If you only want to show one app like PowerPoint or a PDF, choose a window. And if you're sharing something online like a website or a video, a tab works best. It even shares audio. Once you have made your choice, click on the screen or window you want to share, then hit share. Everyone in the meeting will now be able to see what you're showing. When you are done, just go back to the meeting window and click stop sharing at the bottom. And that's it. Simple, smooth screen sharing in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.